What's something people don't know about Microsoft account logins? Sometimes it's not you, it's your computer acting up. Let's team up and tackle this together. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your internet is working. Try opening a website. Next, double-check your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset option. It happens to the best of us. Still stuck? Time for a quick tech trick. Open Command Prompt as admin and type wsreset.x to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Or run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter inside Settings. You'd be surprised how often this works. If you're still locked out, update Windows and run sfc/scano in Command Prompt to repair files. For stubborn cases, restart your PC in safe mode with networking. And hey, if nothing works, try the Microsoft Sign-In Helper, clear browser cookies, or, just for a moment, turn off your antivirus. Still out of luck? No shame in calling Microsoft support. You got this.